Shane made some awesome upgrades to our funny farm. One of them being that goat door so that we can just lock them in without chasing them around and screwing on a board. But that's not the only trap door. Oh. Oops, I messed that up already. Sorry, Shane. I didn't know. So he added this temporary wall so that our chickens can go outside in this area for the time being, and the goats can't get to them. And they should not be able to fly out of here. And if they can, it's not that big of a deal. They forgot what the great outdoors looked like. So I know this is not like the fanciest enclosure, but as soon as Shane can pound posts where this line is, he's gonna fence off and I think put up this paneling, and all of this outside is for the goats and chickens. So they have to deal with this little enclosed area for a little while, but at least they can go outside, stretch their legs. It was getting kind of tight in the coop, but come April-ish, they're gonna have what feels like acres to them of funny farm land. Our first bird is out. They're finally realizing that they can go outside again. Now there's no door to this, but we can use a ladder and climb over, and Shane is gonna hate me because he's gonna have to do that tonight to fix that door. We still have one chicken that I cannot get in the coop. One's trying to get in a fight with our rooster. I don't know why. Jesus. These guys are still doing really well. Oh, I thought I fixed that door from the inside. Okay, I think I'm giving my husband permission to kill my rooster because he attacks Shane every time. He just attacked me 3 times while I was in the coop. It's like scary collecting eggs now. And then I saw him fighting with all my hens. So unless you have a reason on why I should have a rooster around, let me know. But if not, Shane, I think it's his time to go.